Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to plant potatoes. Now I usually plant them in these felt pots. These are like 30-gallon pots. They're actually pretty big. They're over 24 inch in diameter. So I usually can get like 4 or 5 in here. So what I did is I just put some dirt on the bottom. And the reason I have it in the greenhouse is because in case it cools down, right? Because the potatoes like it warm. So I want to keep it in the greenhouse just for now. I'm planting a little earlier than I normally do, but they say it should be fine. So we'll find out. We're going to be in the 20s, low 70s Fahrenheit, 20s Celsius, in the 20s there for the next week. So I'm hoping that we still could get a freeze, right? We can get a frost warning right up until into May, right? So I'm a month ahead of time on worrying about that. But being in the greenhouse, we shouldn't get another deep freeze. So what I'm going to do is, you see some of my potatoes have already started sprouting. So we just want a little dirt in the bottom, and let's see what we'll do is, that one's a little crazy. Just want to push it in there. Let's see, another one. We get this one's got a couple sprouting on the sides here, so we'll give that one a little bit of room there. And maybe we'll do one more. Let's do one more. Let's do this one here. Okay. And then what we want to do, we just want to cover it with enough dirt so it's covered, right? And then as the leaves and the stems start growing through the dirt, you would just add more dirt until you're more or less at the top here, and you can't add any more dirt, right? So I think usually we get about 5 pounds per bag, because I think the last couple years we've done it, we've gotten 10 pounds. So I'm going to try to, so let me grab some dirt and we'll just cover the dirt, and I'll show you how much to cover. So I got some dirt here, and what I got to do is I have a mixture of compost and normal dirt, like, except this, I don't know if that's clay or rock. It feels like a rock, but probably clay. And then, so we just want to cover it a few inches, right? A couple inches. Like, don't worry if you think you covered it too much. You don't, as long as you're not covering the whole thing, like all the way to the top. I might have to add some more, but you get the idea, right? So that's what I'm going to do, and that's not bad. What I'll do is I'll just pour the rest in there and smooth it out, and then I'll add some water, and then we're done. And then I'll do this again, and I'll do a second one, and then my potatoes are ready. So remember, just add dirt as it comes up, but I'll give you an updated video once we start seeing some leaves and stems coming up. All right, have a great day.